Welcome. Where's the welcome to?
Welcome.
Welcome to? Welcome to?
Toy review.
Huh?
Toys review.
Okay.
Tomica.
Okay. Put it down. So now finally we're gonna open number 4 to number 6. Number 4 to number 6. Can you see me, camera? Can you see me?
This is number 6. Ini number 5.
Number 5. Why does Declan don't want to open from number 4 to number 6? Because Declan choose to be different, and everybody needs to be different to be successful, right, Declan? Nah, he just agrees.
Banyak Tomica bayar, me.
Banyak Tomica Daddy help you, ya? So it can go fast. Oh. Can Daddy help the other numbers? Why are you standing on Daddy's foot by doing it? Huh? You want to look taller? Taller in the camera? You're taller than Daddy in the camera, Declan. Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Sun.
Ano money? Where money?
I think upstairs.
Oh, we are at Omani's house, by the way. As you can see, the back is a little bit different. Ta-da! Declan, number 6. Do you know what that is?
The web.
Do you know what this is?
Web.
It's called a satellite.
Satellite?
Satellite. It goes to the sky.
Huh?
Did you know that? It goes to the outer space.
Wow.
It's higher than the airplane. Oh wow, that's very unique.
Oh God. I build this thing, Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy has to build that thing first, yeah? Yes, why don't you open this and the next one, and then Daddy's gonna build this. Oh wow, this one is really cool.
I
This
like.
one is very cool.
Wow, so cool. What is this?
Oh, the first time I see Tomica with.
This is so cool. Oh, what? Oh, what is this like? Right?
Tapi open. Wow, this one is like the coolest Tomica yet. Have you opened it, Declan? Here, Declan, Daddy help you.
I'll open that one. Oh, yeah. Oh, right, yeah.
Here, Daddy help you. Why don't you open the next one? The next one. Daddy open this.
Daddy, that could open. Oh, hit that. Wow.
Excuse me. Wow. Whoa! So cool. What is this? Oh, it stands there. It stands like that. Yeah, wow. This is called a satellite.
I'm the first one.
Bisa fly up.
Fly like this.
Sky.
Do I fly? I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna open that.
The last one. Number 4. Oh, look at what Mommy did. Mommy lined them up. So what's missing?
This.
This one.
This thing.
This thing, yeah. Open it first, Declan. Open it first.
Race car.
Race car, yeah. It's a Mazda
Mazda.
RX-7. Put it on top. Ta-da! Declan, present it.
No.
Hey, wait. One more. Whoops. One more.
I'll go.
Eh, okay, did you open it yet? Where's the inside?
Huh?
Did you open this? And where's the inside? Oh, over there. Okay, excuse me.
Mommy, be careful.
Okay, now we have. Wow! How many? Mina. Ja. Up. Ta-da! Like this.
Stickers. Mama bought stickers.
More stickers.
Yes.
Where do you put the stickers? No, not that. No, don't put it in the box. Don't put it there.
Where?
We just opened 12 piece of
Chop.
piece of what, Declan? Tomica. What kind of Tomica Premium? Tomica. Okay. There you go. Okay, Declan, you have to say, what do you say at the end of every video? Okay, say to the camera, at the end of every video. Yes, subscribe here. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Welcome. Where's the welcome to? Welcome to? Welcome to? Huh?
Toys review.
Okay.
Tomica.
Okay, put it down.